What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for checking your girl out. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'll be showing you guys 2 makeup looks that you can wear with glasses if you wear glasses. To be honest, you can wear whatever look you want to wear with your glasses. It really just depends on your frames, how much of your eyes you get to see through your frames. If it's a smaller frame than this, if it's a larger frame, it doesn't really matter. As long as you can tweak your makeup look to fit your frame, you can pretty much go ham with whatever look you want. But these are 2 of my favorite looks, so I'm going to be sharing that with you guys. Don't think that just because you wear glasses you can't slay. Okay? If you thought so, you're wrong. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So if you're interested, then definitely keep on watching. Alright, starting off, we're taking the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to start by applying Sienna in my crease to work as my transition color. I love this color, love this palette, nothing new. When it comes to my eyeshadow from my glasses, I tend to like it to be more on the natural side. So these looks are definitely more natural, but you can intensify it as you please. Moving on, I'm going to be taking this color called Dusty Rose. I'm going to go ahead and apply that onto my lid. Once applied, I'm just going to go back with the same brush I used to apply Sienna with no extra product, just to kind of blend Dusty Rose and Sienna together so there's no like harsh lines in the crease. And then to define the lower lash line, I'm taking Sienna again, and I'm just going to run that along my lower lash line. For the inner tear duct pop, I am taking Tempera, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that in my inner tear ducts just to add some light. I really like to do an inner tear duct pop whenever I'm using my glasses, just because it really helps my eyes to kind of shine through and not get lost in the frames. Then I'm going to take this black pencil liner. I'm just going to apply a little bit of definition on the upper lashes towards the outer third of my eyes, and I love to do this because it adds depth and a bit of definition, once again helping my eyes not to get so lost in my frames. Then I'm going to take a brush and just smudge it out a little, just so it's not really harsh. Then I'm going to go back into Tempera, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that along my brow bone just to add a little bit of a highlight. And at this point, just go ahead and apply some mascara and, you know, put on your glasses and you're good to go. Okay, moving on to look 2. Look 2 is a little more dramatic, but still very wearable. I'm going to be taking Sienna once again in my crease to work as my transition color. Can you tell I love this color? I use it like all the time. Whenever I use this palette, it always gets used. Then I'm going to be taking Mulberry, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that onto my lid. And this is just going to add some definition, you know? We love our definition. And depth, really forcing people to look you in your eyes, you know what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply Mulberry and Cypress Umber on the lower lash line to add some definition. Once again, forcing people to look you in the eye, okay? They can't look away from all that definition. Then I'm going to go in with the color Noir just on the outer third of my upper lash line. I'm going to go ahead and run that or smudge that along my lash line just to add more definition, kind of connect it to the lower lash line. Then I'm going to go in with Fairy as my inner tear duct pop. You know I love my little inner tear duct pop. Last but not least, I'm going to be taking Burnt Orange to highlight my brow bone. And again, you're good to go. You're good to slay. Just put on them glasses, girl, and you're good. You're good to go. Alright y'all, thanks so much for hanging out with me today. This is it for the final looks. Let me know which one was your favorite down below, look 1 or look 2. And if you'd like to see more content from me, be sure to come back next Monday because I upload a new video every Monday. Okay girl? Alright, bye!